My father keeps all his dash papers in lock and key. His rude behavior only served to dash the already tense situation. Option B. Aggravate. His rude behavior only served to aggravate the already tense situation. The committee failed to reach a dash on the issue. Option C. Consensus. The committee failed to reach a consensus on the issue. She spoke in such a dash tone that no one dared to interrupt her. Option D. Authoritative. She spoke in such a authoritative tone that no one dared to interrupt her. His explanation was so dash that it confused everyone further. Option A. Ambiguous. His explanation was so ambiguous that it confused everyone further. The witness gave a dash account of the incident, changing facts repeatedly. Option B. Contradictory. The witness gave a contradictory account of the incident, changing facts repeatedly. Despite several warnings, he remained dash to the consequences of his actions. Despite several warnings, he remained dash to the consequences of his actions. Option B. Oblivious. Despite several warnings, he remained oblivious to the consequences of his actions. The manager decided to dash the meeting due to unavoidable circumstances. Option D. Adjourn. The manager decided to adjourn the meeting due to unavoidable circumstances. The teacher tried to dash discipline among the students. Option A. Instill. The teacher tried to instill discipline among the students. His argument was based on a dash assumption rather than facts. Option C. Fallacious. His argument was based on a fallacious assumption rather than facts. The politician's speech was full of promises meant only to impress voters. Option D. Lofty. The politician's speech was full of lofty promises meant only to impress voters. His sudden outburst was completely with his calm nature. Option C. Incongruous. His sudden outburst was completely incongruous with his calm nature. The leader's speech failed to the confidence of the public. Option A. Restore. The leader's speech failed to restore the confidence of the public. The rules were framed to any misuse of authority. Option B. Curb. The rules were framed to curb any misuse of authority. The minister was accused of making statements during the press conference. Option D. Ambiguous. The minister was accused of making ambiguous statements during the press conference. His apology was so that nobody believed in his regret. Option B. Perfunctory. His apology was so perfunctory that nobody believed in his regret. The scientist's theory was initially dismissed as but later proved correct. Option A. Absurd. The scientist's theory was initially dismissed as absurd but later proved correct. The company decided to its losses by cutting unnecessary expenses. Option C. Mitigate. The company decided to mitigate its losses by cutting unnecessary expenses. His attitude towards rules landed him in trouble. Option C. Defiant. His defiant attitude towards rules landed him in trouble. The report was criticized for being dash and lacking proper evidence. Option A, superficial. The report was criticized for being superficial and lacking proper evidence. The judge asked the lawyer to be dash and avoid irrelevant details. Option B, concise. The judge asked the lawyer to be concise and avoid irrelevant details. His remarks were so dash that they offended everyone present. Option D, caustic. His remarks were so caustic that they offended everyone present. The government decided to dash the outdated policy. Option C, rescind. The government decided to rescind the outdated policy. The manager was praised for his dash handling of the crisis. Option A, adroit. The manager was praised for his adroit handling of the crisis. The witness gave a dash description of the accused. Option B, vivid. The witness gave a vivid description of the accused.